Hello, I'm Christian Lemeteldo from this MP Section Trio. The importance of PMIRS 5 resilience in our program in that equip us with the ability to cope with stress, adapt and challenging situation, and bounce back from adversity as future seafarer will face unpredictable weather condition, emergency situation, and time away from family. Resilience help us stay focused, make sound decision, and maintain our physical and mental well-being. This course will help me fulfill my dream of becoming a successful seafarer by teaching me effective coping strategies, stress management techniques, and crisis response skills by handle the damage of life and see build strong relationship with crew members and achieve my crew goal.